I will say each example 2 times. The first time I will say it slowly. The second time I will say it at a normal speed, like a native speaker. It's really important that you repeat along after me, so don't be shy and repeat after each example. Okay, first example, I am goes to I'm. I'm waiting for my friend. Okay, one more time. I'm waiting for my friend. Next, he's walking home. Again, he's walking home. She's reading a book. And again, she's reading a book. The next one, it's a nice day. And again, it's a nice day. Next one, you're a nice person. And again, you're a nice person. We're ready for the test. We're ready for the test. Next one, they're very happy. They're very happy. The last one, Lynn's teaching English. Lynn's teaching English. Good job, everyone. Let's move on. First one, what's my name? What's my name? Where's the bus stop? Where's the bus stop? Next one, why is she late? Why is she late? Next, who's your favorite singer? Who's your favorite singer? When's your birthday? When's your birthday? Last one, how's the weather? How's the weather? Great! Good job, everyone. Let's move on. Okay, the first one. Isn't. He isn't home. He isn't home. Next, aren't. They aren't coming to dinner. They aren't coming to dinner. Don't. I don't like doing homework. I don't like doing homework. Doesn't. She doesn't study very well. She doesn't study very well. Great job, everybody. Let's move on. First one, I'll make lunch soon. I'll make lunch soon. Next, he'll be late for dinner tonight. He'll be late for dinner tonight. Then, she'll wash the dishes after dinner. She'll wash the dishes after dinner. It will, it'll. It'll be a great evening. It'll be a great evening. You will, you'll. You'll have a great time at my wedding. You'll have a great time at my wedding. We will, we'll. We'll go on vacation in May. We'll go on vacation in May. They will, they'll. They'll visit their mom in the summer. They'll visit their mom in the summer. The last one is a negative form. Will not becomes won't. I won't go to work tomorrow. I won't go to work tomorrow. Great job, guys! Let's move on. First one, I would, I'd. I'd like to help you make dinner. I'd like to help you make dinner. He would, he'd. He'd be a good choice for president. He'd be a good choice for president. She would, she'd. She'd be very happy if you helped her. She'd be very happy if you helped her. It would, it'd. It'd be nice if you visited us. It'd be nice if you visited us. You would, you'd. You'd love being on vacation in Hawaii. You'd love being on vacation in Hawaii. We would, we'd. We'd have to check the price first. We'd have to check the price first. Okay, last one for would. They would, they'd. They'd never hurt you. They'd never hurt you. Okay, let's move on to had. First one, I had, I'd. I'd better make breakfast soon. I'd better make breakfast soon. He had, he'd. He'd studied a lot before his test. He'd studied a lot before his test. She had, she'd. She'd never been to a concert before last night. She'd never been to a concert before last night. It had, it'd. It'd better be on sale. It'd better be on sale. You had, you'd. You'd better fasten your seatbelt. You'd better fasten your seatbelt. We had, we'd. We'd not eaten since breakfast. We'd not eaten since breakfast. They had, they'd. They'd gone home before the party finished. They'd gone home before the party finished. Good job, everyone! Let's move on. First one, I have, I've never seen a ghost. I've never seen a ghost. Next, you have, you've been a great help to me. You've been a great help to me. We have, we've got a problem. We've got a problem. They have, they've been so kind to us. They've been so kind to us. Could have, could have. We could have won the contest if we had tried harder. We could have won the contest if we had tried harder. Would have, would have. They would have stopped if someone told them. They would have stopped if someone told them. Should have, should have. She should have quit smoking earlier. She should have quit smoking earlier. Might have, might have. He might have gotten the job if he went to the interview. He might have gotten the job if he went to the interview. Who have, who've. I like people who've traveled a lot. I like people who've traveled a lot. Last one, there have, there've. There've been a few problems lately. There've been a few problems lately. Great! Good job, everybody. Let's move on. First one, want a, wanna. I want a coffee. I want a coffee. Got a, gotta. Have you got a minute? Have you got a minute? Don't know, dunno. I don't know. I don't know. Let me, lemme. Let me go. Let me go. Give me, gimme. Gimme the pen. Gimme the pen. Tell them, tell 'em. Tell 'em we're starting now. Tell 'em we're starting now. Come on, come on. Come on, do it. Come on, do it. Last one, some more, s'more. We will need some more time. We will need some more time. Remember, you should only use these in conversation. You don't want to write these. Great job, everybody. Let's move on. Okay, first one, kind of, kinda. She's kinda cute. She's kinda cute. Next, sort of, sorta. I'm sorta tired. I'm sorta tired. Out of, outta. I'm outta money. I'm outta money. A lot of, a lotta. They ate a lot of cake. They ate a lot of cake. Lots of, lots of. He has lots of money. He has lots of money. Last one. Cup of, cuppa. Would you like a cup of coffee? Would you like a cup of coffee? Did you guys hear that schwa, that sound? All right, great job. Let's move on. First one, going to, gonna. I'm not gonna tell you. I'm not gonna tell you. Next, have to, have to. You have to study English. You have to study English. Has to, has to. She has to work today. She has to work today. Used to, used to. She used to live in London. She used to live in London. Supposed to, supposed to. I'm supposed to start a new job. I'm supposed to start a new job. Ought to, oughta. You ought to phone your sister. You ought to phone your sister. Need to, needa. You need to buy apples at the store. You need to buy apples at the store. Don't forget, you only want to use these in conversation. These aren't for writing. All right, you did it. Let's move on. Okay, first one. Don't you, dontcha. Don't you like it? Don't you like it? Next, won't you, won'tcha. Won't you drive the car? Won't you drive the car? What are you, whatcha. What you doing? What you doing? What have you, also whatcha. What you got there? What you got there? Bet you, betcha. Bet you can't guess the answer. Bet you can't guess the answer. Got you, gotcha. I got you some chocolate. I got you some chocolate. Didn't you, didn'tcha. Didn't you like it? Didn't you like it? Last one. Do you, do ya? Do you want to come with me? Do you want to come with me? All right, great job, everybody. We practiced a lot today and I know you worked hard, so keep on working hard because these contractions, if you master them, they will help you sound like a native speaker. Be sure to let me know how you're doing in the comments and see you in the next video. Bye!